Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse, and for today we're going to unbox a boots that I have ordered in the United States. Actually, there is a story on these boots. When I was in the United States last August 9, I ordered this pair of boots from Baker's Bootmaker Company, which is based in Eugene, Oregon, United States. I thought that there was an available stock boots on this pair of boots, but I was informed that they have to make an order from the WESCO brand for a pair of shoes because they are out of stock. So they advised me to wait for 6 to 8 weeks. However, before I left back to Manila, I sent an email to Mr. Kyle Baker in Oregon. What's the update or progress on my order? And he told me that the boots will be available on the 6th up to the 8th week. So last September 24, when I was already here in Manila, I received a message that they have sent my order already through UPS Ground. However, I have to change the address and have it sent to my carrier, which is the Johnny Air Plus Cargo. And after 4 days from Eugene, Oregon, the Jack Air Plus branch in Daly City received this after 4 days. That's very fast. And then, on the following day, on September 29th, they sent this box and it arrived in Manila after 5 days. And true enough, it was cleared immediately at customs because the price of this item is more than 10,000 pesos. So there is a corresponding VAT and some tax payments to be made for this order that I made with WESCO. So that is the story of this pair of boots. I ordered it on last August 9. It was shipped last September 24, and I received it October 6 of this year. It took me almost 2 months to wait for this pair of boots. So we're going to unbox this and we will see what is inside. There is still intact. The box is still intact and the strap is still here. The reason why I like Baker's Boots company is that their shipping is free. If I ordered this directly to WESCO, they're going to charge me with additional of $22 for the ground transport of this through UPS. So I advise you, if you want to order boots from the United States, help Baker's Boot, order them from them, and they will ship it to you free of charge anywhere in the United States. So for the past months that I've been ordering my boots, I always use the Johnny Air Cargo because once it lands, this parcel lands in Johnny Air Cargo, everything is free. I mean, I don't have any problem. Free shipping, it's tax free. I did not pay any sales tax for this in the United States. So if the price is $429, that's it. You only pay $429 and no tax, sales tax, and the shipping is free. All you have to do is just wait, and then Jack Air Plus Cargo just inform you through text that you have a package to pick up in their branch where you designated as your pickup point. So for me, my pickup point is always the SM Mega Mall branch of the Johnny Air Cargo Class. We're going to unbox this pair of boots that I ordered from Baker's Boot Company, and we will see what is inside. This pair of boots came from WESCO, and this is a pair of their Jobmaster Stock Boot in redwood leather. So we will see what is inside. We have the kilties, and then the instruction how to tie the kilties with the shoelaces, and the usual care and maintenance, and everything about WESCO boots. Kilties. We have the B-wax, the usual B-wax, and we have the shoelaces. It has a insert that goes with it. This is 10 inches in height. This is size 8.5 in the width. So you have these eyelets, and then the hooks, and another eyelet here. So you can see we have a Vibram sole. I think this is the 100 Vibram sole, and you have that kind of heel, and those clean stitches. This is Goodyear welted boots, and we will see how it looks like if we're going to fit it. This is my third WESCO boots. I have two engineer boots, one from WESCO Boss, WESCO Mr. Lou, and this is the third WESCO boots that I have. So this is the Jobmaster, WESCO Jobmaster in the redwood leather. You have 10 inches in height, and my size is 8.5 D. Very, very impressive boots from WESCO. We're going to lace these boots without the false tongue.